Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cyber Enthusiast. Today we will learn how to install Kaspersky VPN premium version in your desktop. This video is going to be very interesting because with the help of this VPN you can browse many sites and at the same time it enhances your speed which may be restricted by firewall at the ISP end. Before proceeding further, I would like to request you everyone to subscribe, like, and share my channel, and also to put notification bell on for my upcoming videos. So, without wasting too much of time, let us proceed. First of all, open your Google Chrome, then type Kaspersky Total Security. From here, we have to download. Here, we are going to download Kaspersky Total Security. It is downloading, now completed. Now we have to click on the setup, then click on continue, install, and hence it is completing. Apply, click on apply, add to exclusion, and done. Now continue, skip. Here we will log in with our Kaspersky ID, which is merely our email address registered in their domain. And after that we have to put the password which we have registered in the domain. Sign in. Done. Now we are connected. After that, click on my Kaspersky. Click on go to my Kaspersky. Here I have already activated my VPN for multiple users. From here we have to download the setup. Click on it. After clicking, it will initialize. Here we have to accept everything. Accept, accept, and installation is in progress. So here you can see it is proceeding, and after some time it will install. It will be installed on your desktop. Now connect, accept, Hooray! So we have activated our VPN, and that is our premium version. You can see with the help of this one you can do unlimited usage of data. So we will open the browser, and here we will type IP geolocation.in for our testing purposes. Here it will show my IP, and after turning on we will check the IP again. Now since it is connected, we will check by refreshing the browser. Here we are. After refreshing, you can see it is showing Singapore. Now we will try with something else. Now we will connect with Russia server, and after that we will check the IP and the location. Since it is not connected, now it is connected. So we are refreshing, and after refreshing, here you can see now it is showing Russia city Moscow. We will try again. Here you can see it is showing Austria Vienna, since we are connected with our Austrian server. Now finally we will try to see if it can connect with American server. So we are selecting USA Atlanta, and we will put VPN on. Now we will try to refresh the browser. Hooray! So here we have United States as country name, state Atlanta, state province Georgia, city is Atlanta. So this is how the VPN works, and it is very smooth and very fast. Thanks all for watching my video, and please do subscribe.